The 1999 Excelsior Henderson Super X marks the revival of a legendary American motorcycle brand, bringing back the classic spirit of Excelsior Henderson from the early 20th century with a modern twist. Powered by a 1,386cc V-twin engine, the Super X delivers a unique blend of vintage aesthetics and modern performance. This powerful engine provides robust torque and a smooth ride, reminiscent of classic American cruisers. Hey, real quick, before getting back to the facts, I want to talk about our sponsor. It's us. We have an eBay store where we sell thousands of used parts for a ton of different makes and models. Plus, we have free shipping. Be sure to check us out and see if we have parts for your motorcycle by clicking the link in the description. The Super X features a unique trailing link front suspension system which combines old-school charm with advanced engineering. This suspension setup offers a comfortable and stable ride, absorbing bumps and ensuring precise handling. As a limited production motorcycle, the 1999 Super X holds a special place in the hearts of collectors and enthusiasts. Its rarity and distinctive design make it a sought-after model for those who appreciate the blend of historical significance and contemporary craftsmanship. If you want to learn more about the Excelsior Henderson, we did an entire other video where we just break down why it was rare, what made it special, and why production ceased. So go ahead and check that video out by clicking the link in the description. Also in the description you can find the link to all of the used parts off of this Excelsior Henderson. So if you need used parts for your Super X, go ahead and check out that link. Thanks for watching this time-lapse teardown. If you like this style of content, then you're sure to like some of the other videos that we've put out. Feel free to click one of these videos that are popping up, or if you want to see everything that we've done, it's easiest to just go to our channel here, and while you're there, you can click the subscribe button and like and comment on some of our stuff. We respond to all of the comments, and we really appreciate it. So go ahead and do that for us.